So one of the things that got me from this to this was meal prepping. So let's get into the video. Hey guys, welcome. Sorry, my kids are pretty loud. Today is Sunday. I'm going to do a meal prep, and I'm going to meal prep 3 things today. So first of all, this morning has been crazy, so I'm going to make myself a coffee before I start. But I wanted to kind of go over what I'm making. One thing that I really found that I need as a busy mom, especially getting up in the mornings, get up around 5:30, have my time, and then I get the kids up around 6. I get them breakfast, get out of the house, I go to the gym right after. So I don't get home until, like, it's been a few hours until I've eaten. So I need to take my breakfast with me. So to help me, I've actually been making overnight oats, but I don't have overnight oats, so I'm going to make chia pudding. So we're going to start with that, and then the second thing is lunch, because when I get home I don't want to spend my time cooking and doing that when I have so many other things to do. And so I'm hoping that this only takes me about an hour to do all of this, and then I'm going to make dinner. I'm going away the end of this week, so I only have about 3 days to prep. So I don't want to go and buy stuff from the food store now and then just leave it there. So I will come back. I'm using what I have. So I'm going to make some Thai red curry chicken for dinner. I'm going to make some steak and potatoes for my lunches for the week and veggies. And then I'm going to make my chia pudding for breakfast. So let me make my coffee and I will be back to finish this. So let's get started.
On the run from a given disaster, speed away from the holy mind, pride. That's where I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good. I keep on trying to pretend, still it feels like I'm pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road tonight. Lost my head over my back between the joys and part of job. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving.
Hey guys, so I just needed to pause this video quick just to tell you that this was not the chia pudding to make. I do not care for this that much, and I actually do have a chia pudding recipe that I like. So but stay tuned for the next video, because I'm going to show you my oatmeal overnight oats recipe, and it's very quick, very easy, takes minimal time to make it, and tastes really good. So stay tuned for that in the next video. Let's continue watching. Let's go. Then I can add any topping I want. Bianca, why are you on top of my...
Huh?
Why are you on top of the camera?
Because I'm trying to get them up, but I went the wrong way.
carrots up because as I usually am out of the house a lot, picking up the kids or going back and forth, errands, all of the busyness of stuff, I like to keep carrots on hand as a snack, as a go-to snack, because with our long drives, it usually takes so long to get to and from. So this helps stay on track a lot. Oh, if I didn't mention before, I'm also on a small cut because just getting ready for summer, and I know by the time the girls get on summer break, my workout schedule and everything will change. So if you stay ready, you don't have to get ready.
On the run from a given disaster, speed away from the holy mind, pride. That's where I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good. I keep on trying to end, still it feels like I'll pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road to never end. Lost my head over my back between the joys and bottle jars. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving. Good. 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 In the heat from a hot California, I forgot how you looked like in rain. I swear I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good. I keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good. I keep on trying to bend, still it feels like I'll pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road to never end. Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jars. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging on myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you.
Okay. It is the end of the day. It's been a long day. It's nighttime now, but at least I got all of the meal prep done and got all my work done for the most part. And now I'm getting ready for bed. My goal was to be in bed by 9:30 the latest. It's 8:40, so I still have some time. Just get a shower and stuff. But it's been a long day. But I feel accomplished, and I think I got my steps. Hold on, let me check. My goal, because I usually don't check for my steps on Sundays, The Sundays and Saturdays are kind of my rest day, but I'll still try to get my steps at least Saturday. My goal right now is 15,000 because I'm in a cut, and once I get over 12,000 I'm fine, but 12 is kind of like my normal. But right now I'm at 11,000, so not too bad. But I'm going to rest, make sure I get in bed on time, and then go from there. Thank you for watching and following me on this mom journey. Bye guys.
Asking for myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on